How to permanently delete files on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can permanently delete your files on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to permanently delete files on iPhone, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go here and first of all make sure to launch the file manager application. And then let's say that you just go to this on my iPhone tab, and then there is a certain picture or maybe a video that you no longer want to see and then you want to permanently delete them. You just want to long press on it and then tap the delete option here, and then that will get successfully deleted. Now the problem here is that this has not been permanently deleted. It is still stored inside this recently deleted tab. So what you want to do is go inside recently deleted as well, long press on it and then tap on delete now option and then confirm the deletion process as well. So even after you delete from the main files app, it will move to recently deleted, so you might want to go ahead and try to empty from that as well. And after that, now that picture has been permanently deleted. This way you can permanently delete files on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.